forgot I'm with a D1 crash out, y'all.
My fault. D1 crash out.
Cut out that nigga eyes, that nigga over with. Nigga thought I was lacking walking out bleeding, nigga. That's my hood, dickhead. No, I got some big shit. Yeah, walking down bleeding with that stick. Escobar that's in my top suit. I can't wait to let it hit. B12 walking down that street. You know that bitch can't pull off smash and shoot the cameras out there. Walk them down.
I know that shit look nasty to some people, but it's good, bro. I'm telling you. I'm talking about real grown man appetite.
This ain't the vibe that I need. Dr. Beat G53.
Some shit. A cooling system. It ain't got no cooling system on it. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I know it's really deep.
What you said? What, Trey? Trey, your head big as fuck on me.
Look at that
big kid
motherfucker. Fat foot ass, but ugly ass, boy. You ugly as fuck.
Like, what the fuck is your hairline at?
You ugly as fuck, boy. Hey, what if I just jumped up this bitch and did it back?
You gonna bust your shit.
What if a nigga was I'm straight finna just commit suicide and just jump out there?
Jump down this motherfucker. Nigga straight dying.
Nah, come here, y'all. Let me show y'all.
You damn near scared me.
Come on, what's in the bag? What's in the bag?
So y'all don't think I'm lying about this, man. Y'all both don't think I'm lying about this.
Ooh.
Still carry ARP.
That big bit, I'm telling you. That
So if y'all see me, y'all see me with this bag, yeah, just be cool, man. Don't do nothing crazy, just be cool. Cause my open hole is going down.
That girl Karen right there.
Call of Duty status. Call of Duty. That bitch can get hit with this shit.
She can hit that. She can
Have
hit that.
an inside sizzling like bacon.
You ain't supposed to be having that.
Alright, I'm so y'all.
Have her inside sizzling like bacon.
Yeah, man. Y'all boy don't think it's a game, man. If you got your, you feel me, you ain't got no charges, no nothing, go get you a gun. Go get you an ARP, man.
Yeah.
Get your ARP.
Even
Hey,
if you
soda stock coming soon. And my buddy Sam, you feel me? So my buddy Sam, he ain't like, he got real deal. Wait up for that tuck the Glock on it, either. Tuck the Glock. Oh, no, put it up. Put it up, yeah.
Straight. I'm telling you, straight.
Serious, man. I'm with a D1 crash out, y'all. My fault.
D1 crash out, bro. Damn, niggas over there fighting a boss. The boss almost got.
Nigga over there working and shit, y'all.
Hey, then he used to do that speed shit.
Yeah, do that speed shit, guys. Nigga out there twerking, y'all. Monkeys in his natural habitat. That's like his natural habitat. What nigga think he doing parkour? Bless it.
I ain't gonna lie, that nigga tripping, bro.
Oh yeah, man, y'all boys. I ain't saying don't do this everywhere, man, but if y'all in the open carry state, you feel me? Y'all can conceal carry, do that. Ain't nothing wrong with that. As long as you being safe and not done with it, you know what I'm saying? Y'all boy, go get y'all some firearms, like get y'all some guns. You know what I'm saying? Be smooth, be calm with it. Like you ain't gotta be all tough, man. Just be chill, like we violent. You know what I'm saying? Where the hell Trey go?
I don't know where that nigga at, gang.
Bro, like a bug.
Shay, you look like a bug. Do that shit again. You came down like a. Alright, boy, y'all want let me.
Y'all ain't gonna party on it.
I had to realize you was my brother again for a second.
You can't be around D1 crash out, bro.
I had to realize that nigga was my brother for a second, for real. I almost did it to his ass. Straight up. This nigga came out looking like a rugby polo.
Nigga straight finna knock the vape off your jacket, man.
Damn.
Shit, this is.
Nigga finna knock that Adidas skirts off your pants, man.
Shit, this is.
That don't mean nothing. You still get hit up in the wall.
Them hoes is lying. He not lying.
Don't make you invincible, man.
I'm gonna go down that bitch. Bro, I'm gonna kill some kids up.
Let's watch this big kid.
That nigga tripping. Hey.
Full speed. Take off. Go. You tripping, man. What you doing, man?
You know, I'll be tripping sometimes.
Oh, you remember that water park everybody used to go to? I don't know. You remember it was.
Bro, we finna go do it.
This show look just like this.
Oh, the one over there by the zoo? Yeah. Trey, you better start crawling on the rocks, bro, before you fall.
Hey, this bitch fell on calling with
I
it.
ain't gonna let them rocks look heavy as fuck.
Oh, it is heavy. Them hoes is
I
big.
damn near just flipped one.
Flip one? So what you gonna do when that motherfucker get on top of you?
No, shit, I was on top
What
of
if that hoe just fell on you, gang?
Boy, that's
It was feeling
I ain't gonna
like
lie.
That's a fat ass rock. I'm gonna be like, damn,
That
Trey.
would try my hardest though to help you, but
How that boy Trey died and a rock fell on him?
Hey, you know what's from,
Hey, come over here, gang.
you know what's from that one story about Duty?
I ain't gonna lie, down.
You said peace. We don't need to see no young niggas, man.
You
We
see some
the
young
young
niggas?
niggas right now. We don't need to see no young niggas.
See some young niggas, all they gonna do is
Young niggas don't need to bump into young niggas, man.
shit. Crash out, don't need to crash with crash out. What you mean?
I'm telling you. If anything happen,
Shit.
me and Sam gonna set up and I'm gonna tell Trey to take off. And it's going down.
Man, we going towards the gun.
It's going down.
What? You heard this?
Going towards them. We the ones gonna be throwing them hoes. What you mean?
Throwing them in, going towards them.
Shit, I'm leaving.
Yeah, we gonna get off first, but believe that. I'm gonna put my bag down. They gonna go up from there.
Look at this shit. You seen that shit? Look. Look. Somebody's name right there.
You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna have to control that hoe.
Oh shit, boy.
I said you gonna have to control that 40
I damn near
game.
just jumped off. Here.
Oh snap!
I damn near just jumped off.
Jumped off what?
I ain't gonna lie,
Oh, right
you
there.
ever thought about getting a phone nigga?
Huh?
A phone nigga?
You talking about 40? 45?
A 40 count?
I don't know. A 10.
What?
The switch on a 10, like y'all crazy. They know they can't control that.
That's what?
Shit, they don't need to control it. Them bullets go fly.
But I feel like a gun that big, you not trying to control it, bro. Cause that's crazy.
Break your shit.
A switch on a 10 milli.
Again, I ain't gonna lie, again.
Nigga Trey be tripping, gang. Oh, he over there twerking on a rock, bro. What the hell? He booty shaking, y'all. My boy Trey be pump faking and booty shaking. Piss ass young nigga. Pissy, that boy pissy, man.
Bro, this
Got
nigga.
my boy Trey on the vlog.
Bro.
Say that. What the fuck? Trey, you tripping, gang. But he is a daredevil, though. Elevator.
No, that elevator don't work.
Bro, you can walk. You don't want some elevator.
I
Gang.
ain't going on right. You might say,
Hit you with what? The ARP? He that scared, bro. So you rather get... Hold on. So you telling me you rather get hit with an ARP than walk on this bridge?
yes.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
That nigga Trey tripping, gang. Hold on, gang. Say it one more time. You rather get hit with an ARP than walk on the bridge? Yeah, you tripping, gang.
Cap.
Well, if a nigga hit you in the head with an ARP, you over with.
Well, I didn't hear.
Like, you ain't gonna
Over with, gang.
It That's what I'm saying.
I mean, you
I'm
might-
like, getting there.
No, you gonna feel that bitch. Then you gonna goddamn pass away.
Shit, it is what it is.
Bruh, come on. You acting like a hoe, son. Look at you, scared to go up some stairs.
Have you seen my art? My art rate's going up.
Next time you staying at home.
Bruh, come on, bruh. Come on, son. We finna leave this nigga, bruh. No, bruh, come on. Nigga not finna go without you. Yeah, see, I don't even gonna hit you with ARP. Now you finna get hit with this 40, man. Come on, man.
You know, keep going, bro. I gotta be on this side. I gotta be on this side just in case.
Guess what? You're a bitch.
Come on, man. Come on. Hey, come on.
Bro, stop.
I'm done.
Bro, stop. Bro, I
All
swear
right,
to
come
God,
on,
bro.
come on.
I swear to God, bro.
I'm done, son.
Bro, no, you not.
That's how I
The
am.
hardest part.
This is the hardest part. That's what I'm talking about. Where to?
Come on, son. Trey, look.
Oh shit, I made it! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit!
He's scared, man.
I made it!
Yeah, go down it.
Shit, down there better than going up. What?
Yeah. That's why you. That's why you don't get what, Trey? Sound? Cause he doing shit like this, bro. Come on. If you came out here with some females doing all that, they go.
Hey, I came out here with some females.
You'll get your whole took. You'll get your whole took, man.
Shit, they be scared too. Yeah, y'all make sure I'll get a girl that's scared of heights.
You can't make sure you gonna get a girl that's scared of heights, bro.
This really got no height.
Y'all
But ain't she already told me, like, if
Y'all
I
might
ain't
be
seen nobody
gonna be
road,
from this side.
Yeah.
You hear me? I ain't going back up.
I'm gonna have that young nigga right there come swoop you and beat your ass. Yeah, so chill out. Yeah, he called his niggas up right now. Yeah. It finna come slide on you right now. Yeah.
I feel like you should just jump his ass.
What if you getting robbed?
Yeah, like nigga he just got your shit like this. And y'all both standing up, he just got your shit like this. I feel like, me personally, I just punch him in this shit. Like,
So you gonna do what again?
punch him in this shit like it's
If a nigga got it, okay, say it again.
Like this.
Yeah.
Like two of us. And we close as fuck. We like right here to each other. The gunman like right here. We right here. Like we should just jump his ass. He ain't gonna have a chance to pull that bitch. Just
All he needed is game. It ain't. You think it's that easy, twin, but
I'm gonna hit his ass.
you think it's that easy, gang. You think it's that easy, Trey. But if all the nigga need is 2 bullets. All you gotta do is shoot you in your stomach, gang. You over with, gang. If you shoot you in your stomach, you gonna fold up, twin. You gonna fold up. You can't take that nigga gun. But just imagine a nigga like Uncle Ray, and he got a gun on you. You talking about 2-piece of nigga like him. That's what I'm saying. You can't do that, gang. That ain't gonna work. They gonna be holding that hoe tight as hell. As soon as you try to swing, he gonna boom.
Y'all ready to go?
I just had to catch me a little breather. Yeah, nigga, what you drinking now? You drunk the lake?
Don Julio.
You talking about Don Julio? Yeah, nah.
But give me my fucking shit, bro. So I knock your whole ass up.
No, nigga straight took your shit. No. Hey, you ain't gonna do nothing about it.
Ooh, get in there.
You ain't gonna do nothing about it, Trey. Oh, nigga put you on one arm, gang. You a hoe, son. No, look at it. Oh, he fell. Niggas on the ground and stuff.
Now somebody pick his ass up.
Oh, you're right, Trey. You're right, Trey. That boy Trey can't fight, son. No.
Nigga hitting and stepping back.
Trey got no
Stop
skull.
this shit, boy.
Trey got no skull, man. Ooh. Nigga pop the fuck out your ass.
When you
He
see
gonna be
Jalen.
the youngest kid on ARP.
Dang.
Oh, put Maya on the vlogs, man.
Y'all
look
get
at her
it. Y'all don't. Y'all, this our cousin Maya.
Hey y'all.
Maya.
Yo.
Seen that
Period.
Maya be cracking shit.
Yo,
That's a
Dad,
damn lie.
what's the name?
Ooh.
Alright, CJ off the San Andreas.
You wanna touch the sky?
That boy said
He
he
say you
trying
wanna
to
go up.
he trying to go up with the stars.
Stop talking to me. Stop talking to me, bro.
Boy, like that.
Do it. Do it. Come on.
No, he ain't gonna scare the height.
Oh, that's why I be.
Bro, Jalen be putting him on the top of the refrigerator. That stuff be so funny.
He be trying to crawl on the ceiling and shit.
You say he's not afraid?
Huh? No, he not. He not afraid.
Oh, hell no.
So tell him you ain't afraid.
Bro,
Tell
Trey,
you
you
ain't
used to
afraid,
bang
bro.
your head. Slime, tell him how he used to bang his head.
Bro, man, we got the food.
Bite already, but
Gino, man, crazy.
it wasn't too good, bro. It's good, bro.
Bro, this bitch here. I'm finna go crazy, bro. No doubt.
Yeah, this is a good amount for real.
I come here regularly, bro. Like, this a restaurant, and I come in here like it's the Waffle House. I know they tired of, I don't know they tired of seeing me, but I be in here on the regular, bro.
See,
Yeah, you feel me?
I try to get groceries and shit. I don't be going out there.
I gotta go. I know that shit look nasty to some people, but it's good, bro. I'm telling you. I'm talking about real grown man appetite. Yeah, for sure, bro. Z over there going stupid already. But did you say your grades, man?
Yeah.
That man said grades, man. Finna shoot that jet. I'm scared. That man over there shaking his drop.
I'm not shaking.
Huh? Damn, bro, you gonna get fired, bro.
Nigga, I recording. Huh? Well, I can't hear you. They shooting at the same time. And this is all from my ears.
Shit on me. Man,
See, you better get fired, bro.
bro, my brain on fire, bro.
Look at my ears, bro.
That shit so loud.
Yeah,
I'm gonna have a
I
headache, bro.
don't know what's on that nigga thing.
I'm gonna have a headache with it.
I already got a headache.
Back, we can let him use that.
At least one got down a sniper rifle right there. Make sure I tape it good, bro. He said it be whatever gun he's my head is fire.
But they almost equal that. That's so right there. Them big ass snipers.
I ain't like, but the Draco's like, bro, how can you just aim that bit like? You know what I'm saying?
I know, like,
We can't aim a bit like
we gotta aim it
shotgun or
down.
sniper rifle. We gonna have to like shoot it like this or just like I don't know. It's gonna be. We gonna have to shoot it weird though. It's gonna be weird to shoot that bitch. So we can't shoot it like. Go ahead, sing. Put the camera on too. You a menace, bro.
My ears hurt, nigga. My ears just hurt.
Hey. My head's
But for real, mine's hurting too.
My ears just hurt.
I ain't gonna cap, but the rest of the day, that's all we finna hear.
It's gunshots.
I ain't gonna lie, son, but you were controlling that bit, man. Man, I was my nigga Jim Young. You know, he is be doing some crazy shit.
I think I broke my eardrum. No, yeah.
Every day, man. Jim Young be on crazy. I already know. I have to tell him, bro. Jim Young, bro, chill up. And then Trey here, too. This nigga's crazy, bro.
Bro, whatever they shooting, bro. That's a good ass gun.
Alright, we're gonna get back to y'all, man, when we shoot. Alright.
Yeah, come on, let's see what you finna do with it.
Make sure it's clear.
Hey, Trey, why you know the bullet gonna fly on you?
What'd you say?
The hot shell gonna fly on you.
Ready?
Yeah, come on. Hold on, I'm trying to get back so I can see everything.
You need to come right here?
No, I'm trying to get back so I can get you shooting the gun too.
Ready?
Yeah.
That's a real bullet.
Take your gun. Try that one too.
Boy, I thought that was a hot shell, boy.
It ain't even how
It don't got a lot of kick to it?
Huh?
It don't got a lot of kick?
Oh, yeah.
That's just 3 bullets.
Hold on, I'm
gonna shoot a different square.
Yeah, it looked like that.
Boy, that whole loud.
It was loud. Huh? Yeah. Hey, you gotta hold it tight though.
Tight?
Hold it tight.
How you, all right, how you hold it? I'm finna see.
I think it's four in here.
All right, I'm gonna shoot all 4 of them.
Me, it feels comfortable though. You want me to knock it back?
Yeah, no, I can cock it back.
Hey, don't shoot it. Don't shoot it unless you ready. You know, don't put your finger on the trigger unless you're ready to shoot.
So you said that. I ain't cocked it back yet. I'm shot like this.
Yeah. Make sure you snatch it back though. You gotta be aggressive with it. Yeah. Hold it tight.
I can shoot.
All right. Yeah.
Ain't nothing in here no more.
All right. Come.
Hey, boy, I ain't allowed.
It ain't even got no much kick though. It ain't even got no much kick though.
No, I can hawk a nigga down. Really?
Calm down, calm down.
Oh,
I got
you cut yourself on there?
Yeah, it's good, though.
That did hurt. I cut myself on. I done hit cut myself.
You own it.
Alright, this time we're gonna try to aim, alright? We were seeing if it had kick, but we're gonna try to aim it.
You got me. I'm gonna throw.
Oh shit, this one.
Yeah, I put it on safety.
Yeah, that's right. You right. You did right. You did right. Yeah.
Oh yeah, go ahead and shoot that thing, boy. How many left in there?
It's still hot, alright? It's one in the head.
Huh?
It's one in the head.
Alright. How many shots y'all left?
Like the bullets going through that line. The which one? It's going through that.
Get right, son.
It's hitting.
Yes, son. Put it on safe. Put it on safe. Alright, then you put it down. You ain't gotta do that.
Come on, my boy. Go ahead, twerk this.
Ooh, boy, that nose was hot.
Well, I gotta get everything.
How you think it was? It was great.
Boy, I ain't gonna lie, it really didn't have the most kick I expected it to have.
I ain't gonna lie, this might sound crazy though, but I feel like my phone.
Yeah, it really do.
You know what I'm saying? I feel like my Glock got more kick than the Draco. Yeah, it's decent though.
It's like the same amount of kick with the 9.
Huh?
Same amount of kick with the 9.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It wasn't even like no. I'm finna think that bitch finna be a shotgun. But I know it's loud though.
Boy, it's
loud.
loud. When you first shot it, my ears start ringing.
It's loud. Just imagine it without these though. Bro, the police gonna do that. Damn. This is a PSA, man. PSA. I don't own firearms to shoot people. I will shoot you though, but I don't own firearms to shoot people. You know, I don't want to do that. I just want to, you know, show my youngest how to shoot. You know, I actually like to shoot. Isn't that right, Trey? I don't want to shoot nobody. I don't promote violence, but I will shoot. And I will kill you though.
Stop the violence. Stop the violence.
I will kill you. I will shoot you, but I don't promote violence though. But we out though. We out, gang. We out. We finna go, man.
Oh, shit. Here we go again.